Now, the other thing that you want to manage or that we manage for people is the validation time, the minute and 46 seconds to first contact, the average time to set them up, 2 minutes and 66 seconds. We need to get the time that we talk to someone in between contacts, and how we do that as short as possible. Speed to lead. It's classic. It's cliche. I don't know how many people measure it, but we measure it and we're savages about it, because this is what a cold calling operation can look like. And we keep track of the caller statistics. So we see our top 3 cold callers here. That's a way to 80/20. It's okay. Why is Ivy bringing in 129 leads? And then our third cold caller, who's doing well, is bringing in 92 leads. Like, what is happening with them? Look at this chart versus other people. What do their calls sound like? How do we bring the bottom up? Is it just that those are new people, and continually training and getting all that? The way we can do that is by measuring it hard. And so you can see that we go for it with our measurements in our reporting. We have weekly, daily, monthly reporting, and it is necessary. QA, culture, these key things are what drive it forward. There's which of these makes money. And that's what we look at. It's not just measuring for the sake of measuring. There's tons of stuff to measure in cold calling. It's not about that. Here's what it's all about measuring: your connection rate, your call drop rate, the leads that you're bringing in that are qualified, the speed to lead, attendance, QA scores. Those things, if you're on top of them, crushing them, the whole operation will continue running. That's what it looks like behind the scenes, just of some of the measurements. Let me show you some other stuff, because this gets even crazier. Hold on. We haven't even got into cold caller coaching, what the coaching logs look like, the AI that we have listening, creating transcripts and kicking out calls that are red flags so we can coach, so we can start listening to every single call that comes through. So that is all happening also. And then just some of our systems behind. So look at the trainings and skill development. For example, we pull this up, and for lead managers, for onboarding, for cold callers, these are just all trainings that are here. Who you'll be talking to, how to use availability mode. So welcome video, everything we do, all these trainings, just unlimited trainings are in here. If someone asks a question, we can generally point them towards a training. We have SOPs for step-by-step guides, so that each of these things gets done correctly every time, so we can repeat it. And this is what our clients get. And this is why they pay $6,000 a month for what seems like something they might be able to do themselves. But when you look under the hood of what we're actually doing, there's a lot going on there. And the lift is so heavy that a lot of our clients say, it's not worth me building all that out. Let me let you do that entire thing. You just send me 15 qualified leads with property reports and comping, and his speed to lead as quickly as possible. I'll just talk to those 15. I'll focus my time on negotiating deals. And that's where we have clients who just end up scaling with us. And I'll show you what that looks like. So Landy leads offers, is type stuff in, and it pops up. It's part of our system. So what this enables clients to do, hey, you got all that operational expertise. We can run a world-class land business. This isn't just cold calling and slamming leads. Like, not only am I doing this for our clients, but I'm also meeting with them weekly and monthly and coaching them along the way, helping them build their own systems. That's part of it. That's just something that happens naturally, because I love speaking with entrepreneurs and hanging out. So every one of our clients, I'm in direct contact with, and we're just trying to figure out ways for them to crush it. But here's an example. Okay, just come in and send me 15 leads a day, or per month, and do all that operation stuff on the back end. And then they close a deal or 2 deals. It's okay, let's double the amount of leads I'm sending you. Okay, now we'll send you 160 leads. Now we'll qualify about 20 or 30 per month that we'll send to you. Okay, now you get an acquisitions manager who's doing that. Now we grab 320 leads per month with that system for you. And we send on to you, we send on about 15%, 20%. So we'll send on you 50 or 60 leads now. And you and your acquisitions manager start hammering those. If you can handle closing deals and dispo, and you can get money, we can keep cranking it up. Right now, one of our clients has 6 callers. We're sending them 480 leads every month. We're sending them 80 to 100 qualified leads for them to make purchases. And they're just figuring out how to buy and then sell those. And so that's what this enables. This isn't just about, hey, can you throw me 50 leads a month? Yeah, dude, that's easy street. Anyone can slam you with 50 to 60, 80 leads per month and let you deal with it. What's hard to do is everything around qualifying those leads, getting all that work done for the property reports, and building it into a machine where you can handle 480 leads a month with ease. And so that's what we're building. That's what we're going to continue building. We've got AI devs building out some cool stuff right now to help with that. And I could just seriously sit here and go through systems till the end of time. But I think that probably gives you a decent idea of a lot of what's going on behind the scenes, how this actually happens, and how this isn't just your normal lead gen company. What do we do now? Book a call. Let's do this. Let's run it.